Mistsubishi Pajero 6G74 timing belt or cam belt installation. And here in this video we are going to show you how to align the timing belt or cam belt successfully to get the correct start. So straight ahead to the video, I'm going to show you the exact marks that you are going to use it, which is the required marks for this engine to get the correct start. And under there, the down key, you can see there is a pointed mark there, which is indicate the inside key, that is the oil pump key. And the sprocket, there is a pointed mark there. So coming to the top, you can see this mark at the left side there, which is painted white to indicate the inside mark there. And make sure anytime you fix this or work on this one, you may able to fix the valve cover to get the mark there. The right side or the bank 2 side is not required for you to fix the valve cover because the mark is already there at the timing plate, and you can see it is aligned there successfully. So this is how you are going to align it, and this is the Error Control Center. We are going to give you more videos this season. The few month for this year to end is going to be a soccer videos upon video, and this is the required point or the required mark for you, which is indicate the inside mark there. This is the required point. And after turning this to the TDC mark and fixing, if you want to clarify it, fix the front cover, aluminum cover, and you can see it will match the TDC mark. Don't use 10 or 20, which will give you the wrong timing. And this is how it is. This one, the camshaft is invisible because it is using this thing rocker arm, so it is very difficult, but this is the required mark. If you do that, you are good to go to get the correct start, and there is no mistake about it because we have done it correctly, and every video we will give it to you on this platform is perfect, 100% working, and no doubt about it. This is Error Control Center. If today is your first time, please, to discover or this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please do so to subscribe. Make sure you like the video and share. Put your comment in the comment section. Let's see who are watching the videos, and let's see who are more concerned about this channel. So this is the required marks. It's very simple timing, but unlike simple timing, that is how it is, because the down marks is a little bit tricky. So if first of all you want to remove the front cover, make sure you turn the engine to the TDC mark, that you can get the mark, and that will also reflect or give you the same mark inside there. The outside mark on the T means T, top dead center, top dead center. This is how it is, and no doubt about it. So the end is coming for